good day, everybody. Have a good day.
A fantastic day.
Thank you.
We love you.
I don't know what time I'll
Go
be
and
back.
earn that money.
I don't know what time I'll be back.
Alright, bye, mommy.
Bye, darling. Bye.
Bye. Morning, guys. We're at home today. Mummy's at work. Today is daddy daycare. What it's like to be a stay-at-home dad for the time being. While mummy's at work being a podiatrist in Jamrock, daddy's at home with the picnies. Got on the couch and then went straight back to sleep. It's like 8 o'clock, just after 8. There he is. That's Hazel's bed. Hazel's one's pink. Nelly, you found a Charles chocolate wrapper. I separate the rubbish. That's the washing that Misha put out yesterday. I'm gonna be bringing that in. There's a mountain over there. It's actually a beautiful view, man. Like, really is inspiring and absolutely gorgeous. So Melly's pooed. So the first job is to, well, firstly I'm gonna make the bed. Only takes a second. You're helping me make the bed, aren't you, Mel? You're such a good girl. Yeah, you're helping me make the bed. Or T, still asleep now. I used to be a chambermaid, the exact same place in Stevenage. I like quit. Misha had the exact same job. Like, she came in pretty much like after me and had the exact same job at the same place. Don't you think that's mad? Misha rehooked it up. That's next job on the list. You awake, T? Oh yeah. But it is like 8:30 now, so you probably need to get up. Don't think I got it. Hey! Yes, darling. Theo's woken up, so I'll move the beds when we hit breakfast time. Then, up until breakfast, then I'll turn the TV off, and then they're not going to have any TV for a couple of hours probably. And then they will get a bit of TV when I'm doing some other bits. Whatever comes up, let me sort out this sofa. Wait, Melly, good girl. Mel usually likes to help. Melly, excuse. Not yet. Not yet. But when mummy's not on the scene, she's my best mate. She won't leave me alone. It's just me and you, innit, Mel, all day. Not all day, certainly not, but that'll... There you go. Now you can sit on it. Right, it's roasting hot. That's wet. Can't use that. Alright. Alright, well it's still wet, so guess we're coming back. This is where she waits for me when I pop outside. Don't you, Mel? You wait for me here. Melly absolutely loves cream crackers. Now this isn't her breakfast, so don't judge. But I just give her a couple to tide her over, because sometimes she gets real, you know, to stop her from screaming, even though like, you don't want a cracker, do you? Melly, do you want a cracker? There you go. And she'll run off for that. She'll usually snatch it out of your hand. Right, so I'm gonna make breakfast, okay? So this is basically just how I make breakfast. I'm gonna make them porridge, and I'm gonna put some chocolate powder in the porridge. Nothing too elaborate. I'll put some milk in the porridge as well. Yep. So old hair bands, they double up as bag like clips really well. So I usually put like 5 of these in. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. Guys, do you get like ants? How much is a lot? I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of this in. Chocolate powder for the whole fam, not including me. And I'm gonna put half a tablespoon. Oh, so he's using it. Yeah, Theo, don't be too silly with that measuring tape. Apparently the worst thing in Theodore's life is porridge, I've just been told. So he's going to enjoy this one. I mean, what's wrong with chocolate porridge? Is it really that bad? There's nothing. There's really nothing wrong. There's Theodore's Hazel. What'd you say, Theo?
I don't know.
You were being a bit more nastier than that, and you were saying you hate it.
I can't.
Mary likes it.
No.
Why not?
I'm not hungry.
Yes, you are. Are you going to eat it? Good girl. You ate all of yours, didn't you? All of it. Go on, get it in then. Good man. Still nothing. Melly, are you coming? Thanks. Did you get? You got this one for me. All right. So just find a blank page. It can be any blank page, guys.
Look, I have found this. But there are some
Mary's just come with her book as well, haven't you, Mel? Yep. Watch what you're doing. Good girl. You just get yourself up. Now, Melly's just one and a bit. Sit down on the chair. Good girl. Hazy, where are you going? I've not told you to do any of this. All I did was tell you to get your books and come to the table.
What is the one? I can't find one.
I wouldn't worry about it.
This one is broken.
Yeah, I know. But we're gonna get some. I'm gonna sharpen some pencils now. Melly, sit down, darling.
Yeah, you can also
Sit down. Good girl. All right. All right. Now don't all dive in. Yeah. Have you ever sharpened a pencil before?
I have not.
No, go on. Hazel, you can go.
I want to get pink one.
All right, Melly, can you sit down? Sharpen the pencil inside that crayon there, won't you? Okay, alright, good. You put the pencil in and you twist it like that, look, and then look. Woo! That, pinch it between your finger and your thumb. You put that in with the other hand, come on, and you twist it. Yeah, but you do it nicely. That's it!
I'm twisting this one.
You have to, yeah.
Being sharpened.
All right, darling, look.
All time.
That's true. So look, you have to. I'll get it going for you, because it can be a bit tricky. There you go. Now, don't you like cars?
And sky blue make light purple.
And what is 10 times 2? 10 times 2.
20.
Yeah, not 10 plus 2 is.
12.
Yeah, what is? This is random. What's 6 times 6?
That's right.
Yeah. What is 7 times 6?
Lots of 6 is 6 times.
7 is.
42.
Yeah, boy. We didn't plan this.
We'll put a
I know. You've got a sharpener. Just be careful with your fingers. Good girl, Hazel. Do you want me to finish that off for you? Do you want me to finish that off for you? Hazel, I'm going to need an answer. It can be yes or no.
no thanks.
There you go. That's okay. All right, fair enough. You want that one? Just be really careful. Yay! Melly! Look how good Melly is, Hazel.
I teach her how to.
You did that?
Yeah. I grabbed a piece of book, then Mary came and was drawing with a pencil. Now.
She's good, isn't she? Look. Whoa.
What?
All right. Melly. All right, we're going to carry on with this for a few minutes.
We'll make some.
What have you drawn, Theodore?
I made this.
What is it?
It's a speedboat.
That's a speedboat. It's quite abstract, isn't it?
I done it.
You drew that?
Yeah.
Not me.
And that worked.
Not me.
At the small pen. It's like melody.
I know. Isn't it an amazing colour? Do a drawing. Oh, you're trying to do the flag of Jamaica?
Yes, but I'll need black, green, and orange, and yellow. See, we have this.
You're using the maths cards now. Oh no. Try not to.
111 divided by 11.
Yeah. So Melly usually gets a bit upset by the Hoover, and I have to pick her up. Come here. It's all right. Don't worry. So we'll Hoover every single room, all the corners, like the middle of the floor. I'll pull everything out. It's half an hour to do the whole. All right, darling. Don't worry. Relax, darling, don't worry. It's okay. Are you alright? And anyway, so look. There you go. And this is a bagless one. You can put... Hello.
Oh, I'm looking at all the...
But it's really good, this, actually. Back in, Mel. I roasted some peanuts. They're well cheap, but I roasted them and I've overcooked them, and it basically tastes like you're eating charcoal. It's so bitter. You ever had burnt coffee? Yeah, they taste like the most burnt coffee you've ever tasted in your life, so I'm going to give them to the goats, see if they like them. So the goats will come over here later and they'll eat them scraps. And look who's there, as always. Melly, I don't know, Melly's got her hands on the iPad because Theo loves doing his maths on it, and she's well happy. It's now 12 o'clock, 12:05, and they only had the TV on for a little bit. And if you don't give them the TV on, then guess what? They play really nicely and they do really constructive things. Like, what are you building? You're building a marble run?
A maze, but I don't have a marble.
Yeah, we do. I've got one. So if you can build your marble run, then you can have it and then use it. But anyway, I didn't show him to do that. He's just building his marble run, and I'm gonna make their lunch. So they're just gonna have cheese sandwiches because they're easy. So I've got this one block of cheese, and that'll do their whole sandwich. And they have half a sandwich each as butter, because I am today, because the camera's on. Judge me if you want, don't judge me if you don't want. Sometimes they'll have scrambled egg with like beans or toast. Like, a lot of the time they'll have like tuna.
And Dad, we build it on
Whoa, you're building your marble run. They're building their marble run.
That we build a marble.
Oh yeah, let me show you the people that you've just brought over. Thanks for showing us. Wow. Did Theo do that really?
No, we both did it.
Obviously Theo gets the bigger piece. Guys, can you come and sit at the table for 1 minute? Alright, you don't have any lunch then? Well done, Melly. You're very happy, aren't you? I might have that bit. How's your cheese sandwich?
Good.
You haven't got one. You're gonna have scrambled egg. Theo, can you stop deconstructing? You have, Look, guys, if you don't eat your sandwich, you don't get down. It's as simple as that. Exclusive. This is Mellie's first ever piece of apple that she's eating herself, ever. She's never, ever had a piece of apple given to her. And she got up and she wanted one. Sit down, darling. Sit down. And yeah, she's nibbling it because she has like biscuits and Excelsior cream crackers that she likes. And she's doing a good job so far. She's got about 4 teeth. So, world exclusive. How's the apple, Melly?
Good.
Good girl. Good girl. Oh, Melly, you're such a treasure. Do you want it? Because I can eat it. Theo? No, what are you doing? No, stop playing with them. Take one and pass them on. Take one and pass them on. No. Just take one and pass it on. How do you like the apples, Steve? How do you like them?
Good.
Oh, you got 2 pieces, you cheeky. Greedy guts. He's sneaky. Take one more piece too. Came over and these two are just mashing this up. Go on, Mel, that's it. Yeah, God. You two are fearsome.
What's this?
Oh, okay, wow. Oh, Mel. Oh,
Dad, what?
oh, Mel.
Dad.
How tall is she, T?
She's 80 meters.
You mean centimeters?
80 centimeters.
Yeah, whoa, you're tall. Alright, so we've already done it but now I'm just finishing it off. So basically all I did was wet her hair in the shower, and then I don't do anything to it. I just coat. This is how I do her hair. I'll either put it in like a side parting. Sorry, darling, put your head up. In a side parting, and then I'll just gently pull out these back bits like this. And sometimes I'll go underneath until like they're all out. And what I do before I comb it, I tend to pull her hair out with my fingers like this, and that will like loosen up any knots before I actually comb it, like this. I literally take 1-2 minutes on your hair, don't I? Mummy like parts it and bunches it and sprays it and puts bits in it and all the rest of it. I'm more of like a natural person, so I don't really like using any creams and stuff, each to their own. That'll be your decision when you get older, won't it, Hazy?
Yeah.
But I like your hair in all different ways. Today, because your hair already had a natural parting in it from where Mummy had put it into segments, I'm just going to put it in a center-ish parting. And then that's it. We don't do anything else with it, do we? And then let nature, water and air take its course. Yeah. Look at this beautiful hair, Hazy. Turn around, turn around. These clothes are clean, aren't they, Hazel? This t-shirt's a bit stained, but you're only at home today playing. Oh, my love, sorry.
Sometimes the brush gets a little tangled.
Yeah, this one's called a Tangle Teezer. So it's tailor-made for your gorgeous locks.
Can I go on scooter?
Yeah, of course you can. Bye-bye.
Overwhelmed by cross-border logistics delayed and logistics booking, shipping costs, credit limit release post-handover.
No, he's on it.
you take either have your helmet on or off?
Off.
All right, take it off then.
Mine off. There's some.
I've got to do something about my hair. It looks dreadful. I'm going to use my teeth on this. Oh. You love. Can you say mango? Say mango. Mummy's home. Hi, Mummy.
Hello.
You okay, darling?
Yeah.
Where's your box in the car?
Yeah.
Oh, how did you make lots of money for me?
Lots of money, I don't know about.
Welcome home.
Oh, thank you.
I haven't cooked dinner for you.
Yeah, great.
Or got a hot cup of tea ready. Now all you have to do is make the dinner, go through, make dinner. That would be great.
Oh, lucky me. It's great to be home.
I'm only joking.